Hello everyone, thanks for coming back. This is Carlos with the Institute of Musical Arts, and today I have my ukulele with me. We're going to look at something really fun, which is the strum pattern for La Bamba. Very famous song, and it's always fun to play. For now, we're just going to go ahead and practice the strum without any chords. So let me give you just a rough idea of how this may actually sound. Just listen for a moment. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and break this down into smaller sections. You're going to see on the screen, on the lower section, there's going to be a bar that will show up and will show you the steps of this strum. We're going to break it down into two measures, two 4-beat measures, okay? And they are almost identical except for the first beat, which is slightly different, okay? You'll see. So let's look at the first measure. First beat is going to be a down, and the up is going to be a silence, okay? Down, and then it's a rest. Down, and when we go down, use your 3 fingers, index, middle, and ring, going down. And when we go up, we're going to use our thumbnail going up, okay? So, first beat is down, and. Beat number 2 is down, up. Again, down, up. Beat number 1 is down, and down, up. Again, down, and down, up. Then beats 3 and 4 are just down, up, down, up. 3, 4. So far we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I repeat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So in this first measure, the only one that we're doing as a rest is the and on the first beat. Okay? Let's do it for a few times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, later on I will teach you a little bit more of the emphasis that we're going to use so that we can get it to sound like the original song. For now, let's just learn the mechanics. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, 1. Okay, that is our first part. Let's do it a couple more times actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Now let's go to the second measure, which, like I said, is almost identical, except that on the first beat, it's going to be backwards. In other words, first we're going to have a rest, and then we play the up beat. So like this, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so imagine that you're doing a down, even though you're not playing it, and the up is going to be the end. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 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 2, 3, 4. So, as you can see, we have the first section is going to be like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And the second section is 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. So, like I said before, the only difference is that the first beat of the first measure is down and rest on the up. And on the second measure is rest on the down and we play the upbeat. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and play first and second measure, one after the next, very slowly. I want you to first watch me do it a few times so that you can see the difference clearly between the first beat on the first measure and the first beat on the second measure. Okay? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3. Second measure. 1 and 2, 3, 4. First measure. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. First measure. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Second measure. 1 and 2, 3, 4. First measure. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Second measure. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do it one more time together. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 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 Measure 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Measure 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4. 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 Okay, so let me go ahead and play it now with the chords just so that you can hear how it sounds and it will make more sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is that we're going to go ahead and do it for a little while, and I'm gonna do it at a slow speed and then just increase it a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna do it for a couple minutes so that you can get the hang of this. Okay, and trust me, it will make a lot more sense once we incorporate the chords, but we can't do that until we have this strum you know, at least in a pretty decent shape. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. 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 Okay, if this is a little too fast, practice on this. I'm going to do it slower than that. And the hint that will let you know where you are, because if you feel like you're lost, I completely understand. Whenever on 1 you strike down, you're on the first measure. And on the second measure, the 1 is a rest, a silence. Okay? Here we go again. Very, very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 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 2, 3, 4. There you go. Remember, you have the timestamp links at the bottom of the description of the video, which you can click and it will take you back to each one of these exercises so that you can actually you know, review them over and over again. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. It's not as complicated as it seems. If you do it slowly, I guarantee you, you'll be able to get it done right. And it's going to be a really fun strum to learn. Once you finish with this video, by then most likely I'll have the next video ready for you guys to start practicing it. And it'll sound something like this. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.